leaving the Philippines. Why did you choose to leave?
My mom told me to leave. I mean, she wants me to have a nice life and have work because the Philippines is hard for me, for everyone to look for a job.
What were your motivations?
My mom.
Your mom?
And my grandparents.
How old were you when you left the Philippines?
15.
So that was like
6 years ago.
Did you bring any family?
Just my uncle.
Just your uncle?
Yeah, just my uncle.
The rest of the family was in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Did you have an idea of what you were going to do once you got here?
No, I don't. I really don't. All I know is just school, and after like 2 years, I really wanted to work, but I had to wait to finish high school. But I didn't finish high school.
What sacrifices did you make to live in the U.S.?
My little sister growing without me, and my other sister who's being black sheep of the family now. And my mom is like being worried about her because she goes out, drinks, and everything.
Goes out too much?
Yeah.
What did you expect life to be like in the U.S.?
Retirement